Hey everybody, look! ResMed sent us a new mask, the N30. Oh, look at that! Looks like it's under the nose with a trunk, little skinny straps like the P10. Let's check this out. Alright, we have some propaganda. Here's the new mask, the N30. Got some extra size cushions in here. Just a closer look at the package. This is going to have quiet air, so when you lay on your side, you shouldn't hear anything, much like the P10 and the N30i. Your F20s, all your masks that have the quiet exhalation port are super, super silent. This should be just like that. It's in this little case. Directions. Okay, so size and gauge. Let's see what size I am. We've got small, medium, and small, wide. I'm probably either a small or a medium, so let's go straight for that. I'm right to the edges, so I could probably get away with a medium, but since I'm inside the red here, I'm gonna wear the small. So here it is. Take it out. There we go. So it's got the same type headgear as the P10 with the adjustment. This is where the adjustment came from on the P10. They didn't used to have one, and now it does. So same adjustment there. You just give this a tug and it will change your strap there for you. This is elastic, and when you wash it and dry it, it will tighten back up like your blue jeans fresh out of the dryer. So if your headgear feels loose and like it's traveling on you, be sure and wash that. So this is the medium size. They do have left and right nostril marked on there. I'm gonna pull this off. You just yank it. It's very jelly and squishy. I'm gonna pull that off, and I'm gonna find the small. So this stretches across here. This one side has a little notch right there, and so does my little cushion here. So I'm going to set that on top and smush that across. There we go. So they sit together. Okay, so when you put this on, you're going to grab the strap that's closest to you. And I like to set that in my nose and pull this over. This strap like goes right where it belongs. That's it. Right over your ears. Hugs the bottom of your nose. Super soft, lightweight. Should be very nice for laying on your side. You'd have to come really far forward to push it. Always split your straps up though, and if you have hair, pull it over that back strap to keep the back strap from wandering up over your head on you. So there you have it, the N30 from ResMed, a fantastic side sleeper, quiet, not for someone who tosses and turns. If you toss and turn, this is probably going to slide off of you. So if you're looking for a new mask, check her out, the N30 from ResMed.